Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you delete photos from said album on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete photos from a said album on iPhone, what you can do is first you need to know what's important. Only the owner of the said album or someone with subscriber permissions can delete photos from the album. When you delete a photo from a said album, it removes the photo for everyone who has access to that album, and you cannot delete photos from a said album if you are just a subscriber without deletion right. Now to do it, what you need to do is head over and open up photos, then scroll all the way down until you find the album section, then right below it you'll find the said album section. Simply select it, then select in the top right corner of your screen, then simply tap on the photos you want delete. They will be highlighted with the check mark on the top right corner of photo. Then simply tap on the trash bin icon which is on the bottom right, and then confirm by tapping delete photo, and the selected photos will be deleted. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.